Hey everyone, welcome back. In this DIY craft, I just finished this evening purse, and I made this DIY craft cigar box purse out of a cigar box, and it came out really beautiful. Let me show you how I made it. So I finally am using my cigar box that I had laying around, and I was first thinking I was going to paint it black, but then I decided not to. And then my great idea, at least I think so, is I'm using this seatbelt webbing. And if you want to know where I got it, just click on the link in the description of this video. And what I'm going to do now is just hot glue it all the way around, but I'm not going to get the hinge there. Because if you get glue on the hinge, it won't really work anymore. I'm being as careful as I can with this glue that I don't make a mess out of it, because sometimes hot glue, as wonderful as it is, doesn't really come off certain surfaces. So I do like to press it down to make sure it has a secure hold. Hey there, if you're loving my tutorial, why don't you subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of my new tutorials that come out. Just go ahead and click on the top right link there. So after I cut this PP webbing seatbelt, I'm going to show you how I heat seal it with a flame. You could use a candle, a match, whatever you have. This way it won't fray. And I did shift the seatbelt in the back a little, so I did get glue there, but I'll hide it after. Now here's a piece of beaded trim that I don't even remember where I got this from, but I always save things like this because I love to create, and I think it fits perfectly right on the center of the front of this box. So again, with my hot glue, we'll get it right in place. To hide this hot glue in the back, I'm going to add this lace here, and I'm going to cut the piece exactly the size I need, and then I'm going to cut another piece, layer it on, and actually use some Mod Podge to get it really solid and firm on there. And as you can see, I decided the front needed a big satin black bow. Now I'm going to make a pocket for the inside for my cell phone. So I did go ahead and heat seal the edges, and now I'm going to glue the edge of each piece of webbing down, and I'm going to lift it before I glue the other one, so there's a little give in the pocket, so I can sort of stick my finger in there. And I'm going to do the same thing with the second one. And I've actually decided not to attach these seatbelt pieces. So I'm going to use ribbed ribbon on the side, about 3-inch pieces. Depending how much you want it to open, you can make it longer. And I'm going to glue it right into place, right on the insides of the side of the box. And that's how I made my DIY craft cigar box. So if you really enjoy no-sew tutorials like this, why don't you also check out my other tutorial right up here on the screen where you can make another purse out of pot holders. Thanks for watching.